Hey everyone, Tim Manfro, aka Mortgage Manfro. And with as much negativity that's going around in our industry right now, I wanted to share with you guys a recent win that we had. We connected with a client and they were pre-approved up to $550,000. They saved up just enough money for down payment, but they were going to have to ask the seller for closing costs. The area that they were specifically looking in due to their kids going to school, the houses were going anywhere between $650, and even higher. So we knew we had our work cut out for us, but we stayed positive. I worked closely with the agent that referred them, and we basically moved ahead, moved forward. We got lucky and had a break, and the house came up for sale on the street that they actually grew up on. Someone had passed away, and the person that passed away had basically said they wanted to offer the property to someone that, basically lived on the street before they put it out on the open market. So we were able to secure that house for $550,000, and actually the appraisal came in much higher. They came up with the closing costs, and we actually even had to do some repairs to get the house to qualify for FHA financing. But in the end, they stayed positive, we pushed forward, and we were able to get their offer accepted and get them into a home. This is the kind of stuff that's happening right now. So many people are saying negative things, nothing's happening, and we're seeing transaction after transaction happening for people that are just staying positive and pushing forward. So when you're out there, keep your eyes open, keep pushing forward, stay positive, and things are going to happen for you. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to be part of your team. And if you need anything, let us know.